What's up guys? We have Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T LCD replacement. We can start heating the back glass with 2 Celsius degree for 30 seconds, and as you need. This glass is broken. The customer didn't told us to replace it also, so we are going just to replace the LCD and that's it. You can use plastic pieces. These came from the screen protectors for iPhones. You can use it, you can use cards playing, anything. Always don't push the card too much inside. We just need to go over all the edges and that's it, because we may see flex cables and we could damage that flex cables. This phone feelings apart. This is the power button and the volume down and up button. Seems this is falling from the drop to the ground. Anyway, we will put them when we are finished. You have to be careful with that flex cable. You can unplug it now. Alright, it's out. Now we have some screws at the top. We need to remove the shield from the top in order to unplug the battery. You can remove the battery. Alright. Now we are going to go to the loudspeaker down there and remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. You can now unplug the screen LCD, it's the other one. Alright, now we will flip the phone and remove the screen. Also, we got here a new part falling down. This belongs to the power button and volume down button. These are the ones that they put these buttons on place. Alright. 3 pieces need to be put down. Now you can remove the screen. It's already broken, so it doesn't weigh the way we are removing it. Just be careful for your hands. We don't need to injure anything during the operation, so it's better for you to wear some gloves. I have been using this job for 8 years, so I can handle these screens. I hate when we have too much broken screens. So the screen when came one piece, there will be too much pieces everywhere in the bench, in your hands, in the flying in the air. And after that we need to clean all over the housing, because it's very important. A tiny piece of glass could break the new LCD when we assemble it down. So we have to be perfect in order to do our job perfectly. Sometimes mistake could be happens, but I'm explaining everything to you to be very care of everything, because everything I told you I have been before. Finally, we got out the LCD. Now the thing I told you to do, it's to do the cleaning. We have to do a better cleaning. Remove all the adhesive, all the dust, and all the tiny pieces of glass. We have here the new LCD. I recommend you always to test the LCD before you assemble and put any glue. I'm always checking that the screen is also fit and in place without making any weird connections. Now we can power on the device and test the LCD. After that we can assemble. This is very important. The phone takes a long time to be power on. I don't know why. I will just keep waiting for it. Alright, it has changed. Note 8T. Perfect. Let's wait a few seconds more. The phone is on now. After that you need to test all the screen. LCD touching is perfect. The camera went off for no reason. I have already put the glue. It's CP0002. It's a black adhesive. I now using it for the black screens because you won't be notice that glue. We have here some stickers to be removed. We have the red, also a red, and we have the blue. After that we will get that flex cable and stick it on that position. Alright, now we will put the screen on the housing. Be careful where you put the glue. We don't need to put the glue near the ear speaker, near the camera, and near the sensors. These three is very important. When you saw them, don't put near them, because when you push the screen, the glue could block the view, so the camera and the sensors may not work correct. Now you can plug the screen flex cable and the battery and continue to assemble the loudspeaker and the top shields. All you have to do now is to put everything as it was, and that's it. We can assume that our job has ended. If you have any questions, you can just write it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace. Like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.